Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the tablet. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to factory reset your tablet, make sure that the battery level on your tablet is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, so let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the settings on our tablet. To do it, simply either tap on the settings icon or swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called General Management and tap on it, and in this menu you should see the reset option. Select it. Here select the factory data reset, then tap on the reset button. If you have some kind of screen protection enabled, you need to enter the PIN, password or pattern, so I'm gonna enter the pattern. And finally we can tap on a delete all button to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's tap on it and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the welcome screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.